Imagine this for a moment: you're cruising along a quiet stretch of highway, the sunrise spilling warm gold across the road, and you're sitting high above the world in a motorhome that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. The cabin is whisper quiet, the ride feels smooth like silk, and behind you, two massive slideouts are waiting to open up and transform your living space into something truly unbelievable. This is the 2026 STX Scania with dual slideouts, a motorhome built for travelers who want zero compromise. Not on comfort, not on space, not on lifestyle. And today, we're diving deep into this stunning machine, from its powerful exterior presence to its ultra-premium interior layout, high-tech systems, and all the luxury details that make it one of the most exclusive motorhomes you can own. So buckle up, because this isn't just a tour, it's a glimpse into what your future on the road could feel like. The moment you see the STX Scania from the outside, it becomes clear this motorhome doesn't just show up, it arrives with authority. Built on the legendary Scania chassis, the whole vehicle has a commanding look. The front design is bold and modern, with sharp LED headlights, a clean grille, and that iconic Scania presence that signals serious long-distance capability. It stands tall, wide, and muscular, the kind of vehicle that instantly tells you it's engineered for real travel, real comfort, and real adventure. As your eyes move along the side, you notice the flush windows, the seamless body panels, and the automotive-grade paintwork that gives it a high-end touring coach appearance. But the real magic happens when the motorhome stops, settles, and the two slideouts extend. One slideout opens the living area into a wide, spacious lounge, and the second expands the bedroom, turning it into a full, residential-style sleeping space. Together, the dual slideouts transform this motorhome into something that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Add in the illuminated cargo bays, integrated steps, sleek ambient exterior lighting, and optional outdoor entertainment features, and the whole vehicle feels crafted with precision and confidence. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts completely. The interior greets you with warm ambient lighting, premium materials, and a soft, elegant color palette that instantly feels upscale. STX has a reputation for building motorhomes for equestrian teams, athletes, and elite travelers, and this 2026 model continues that legacy with craftsmanship you can feel the moment your hand touches the door. As soon as the living area slide-out expands, the space opens beautifully. You get plush, high-quality seating wrapped in leather or alcantara, panoramic views through the large windows, soft-touch walls, and cabinetry built with the precision of luxury yacht interiors. Everything feels solid, refined, and beautifully balanced. The lounge is designed for relaxing, entertaining, or just ending the day with a movie on the integrated LED TV paired with a premium sound system. And thanks to the slide-out, the space doesn't just feel bigger, it feels freer, brighter, and more open. Move a few steps forward and you enter the kitchen, designed with both style and real functionality. It features a deep stainless steel sink, a high-end faucet with spray mode, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and a generously sized refrigerator. In some layouts, it's nearly residential size. The countertops look and feel like solid stone, and the soft closing drawers and overhead cabinets give you plenty of storage for full-time living. Under-cabinet LED lighting adds a warm, modern glow, making this kitchen comfortable and inviting whether you're preparing a simple meal or hosting friends on the road. Every inch of it is built to make life easier and smoother when you're traveling far from home. Toward the middle of the motorhome, you'll find the bathroom, a space that feels surprisingly large and thoughtfully designed. The fully enclosed shower gives you residential comfort, complete with a rainfall-style showerhead and a skylight that fills the space with natural brightness. You also get a premium sink, a well-lit mirror, high-quality surfaces, and easy-clean waterproof wall panels. Unlike many RV bathrooms, this one doesn't feel cramped or compromised. It feels like something you'd find in a boutique hotel, designed to refresh you after long days on the road. Now let's step into one of the biggest highlights of this motorhome, the bedroom, featuring the second slide-out. Once extended, the entire room transforms into a true master suite. You get a full walk-around bed with a plush, supportive mattress, overhead storage cabinets, wardrobe spaces, bedside tables, and an optional entertainment wall with a mounted TV. The lighting here is soft and relaxing, creating a peaceful atmosphere that lets you unwind completely after a long drive. Thanks to the additional width created by the slide-out, the bedroom feels comfortable enough to move around naturally. You're not squeezing past anything or feeling boxed in. It's a private space that genuinely feels like home, not just a place to sleep. Up front in the driver's cab, Scania delivers what it's famous for: unmatched comfort and road performance. The air-suspended captain's seats keep you comfortable for long hours of driving. The digital instrument cluster gives you all the information you need, and the infotainment system is modern and intuitive. The cab is quiet, refined, and perfectly engineered for long adventures. The visibility is excellent, and the ride quality is remarkably smooth for such a large vehicle. Driving this motorhome doesn't feel stressful, it feels powerful, stable, and surprisingly enjoyable. When it comes to onboard systems, the 2026 STX Scania is packed with modern technology. You get advanced climate control, smart lighting options, strong inverter and battery systems, solar prep or full solar installation options, water filtration and heating systems for year-round travel, and an optional onboard generator for complete energy independence. Everything is built around reliability, comfort, and long-term usability. This is the kind of motorhome you can take across countries, through seasons, and across long-distance adventures without hesitation. So what makes the 2026 STX Scania truly unique compared to other luxury motorhomes? First, the dual slideouts, a rarity in European builds, provide unmatched interior space and comfort. Second, the Scania chassis gives you strength, refinement, and long-distance capability that very few motorhome platforms can compete with. Third, the interior genuinely feels residential, not RV luxury, but real luxury. Fourth, the storage capacity, the intelligent design, and the build quality make it perfect for long tours, events, races, and extended travel. And finally, when everything is opened and set up, the motorhome feels like a beautiful apartment on wheels. Not cramped, not compromised, just pure comfort. Before we continue, I'd love to hear your opinion. Which feature impressed you the most? Was it the dual slideouts, the Scania chassis, or the ultra-luxurious interior? Let me know in the comments below. The 2026 STX Scania is a perfect example of what happens when power, elegance, and practical design come together. It's the kind of motorhome that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it elevates every moment of the journey. Whether you're traveling full-time, exploring new countries, or simply looking for a level of comfort that stays with you wherever you go, this motorhome delivers it effortlessly. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more incredible RVs, motorhomes, and luxury travel machines,